getting this package failed updates dependency or conflict validation error on Windows 11 or 10. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix it and get Windows updating again. Solution 1. Repair and reset the app. First, right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings. Click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Find the affected app and click on the three dots menu. Select Advanced Options. Click on Repair. After that, click on Reset and wait for the process to finish. Solution 2. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Now click on Uninstall. Again, click on Uninstall to confirm. Next, search for Sresit in Windows Search. Click on Run as Administrator. Wait for the Microsoft Store to reset automatically. Now open Microsoft Store. Search for Photos. Click on Get to install the app again. That's it. Your problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes.